Nami and just winning. You don't think tonight. Okay, mom.
Yeah, vote any gun. Vote any gun.
Hayibo. Nina ngizothakatha, nina sengizothakatha straight. Yabona nina indaba yenu. Good morning, guys. Namhlanje usuku olukhulu. Guys, this is the biggest day ever. Out of all the biggest days, today is the biggest day. Okay? Good morning, guys. God be with you. I love you all so much. All right, let's get to business. Guys, we have vote on Namhlanje. We have vote. Today you're getting 4 votes for one. For one. Nizo vote. You already know. Guys, please. Today specifically, today is a special day. Today you get 1 vote for 4. Guys, I knew this was about voting. Okay, guys, so we are voting. We are SMSing. Baby 5411. What's up for Tumani? Guys, we 30 rand nje kuphela. 30 rand 52323. Mothanda mina ngiyacela. Guys, if you really love me, please. Abangakothobi anena. Yabo, savota guys, savota. Sivalekile nokulunga. Ongivukela. Guys, please ngesihlula abanye abantu nongathi mina ngiyahluleka personally iyangidina lento. Can we please vote? Let's support our leader. So you say 52323. Mesubhala baby. Unawo 30 rand uqala. Baby. Imali engaka. Hawu guys ngihlezi ngispend imali ngithenga utshwala ngithenga yonke into. Hayi baby no why. Uthi umele 30 rand nje kuphela ngiyacela. Baby space 54 54111136. Ithenga kanjani ngihamba out guys.
Ngicela ukuthi vote kanjani la.
Sekubatshelile ngiphinile nalana. Hayi ngizongikhalisa ngempela.
Uya kuma SMS yakho ufake nansi inumber ethi
5254.
No, you send.
To send. Yeah, you send to 52323.
52323. And then SMS yakho izothi baby 541136. Come on guys. Asikwazi ukuhlulwa olunye uhlanga.
Oh guys, sing number 4, guys. We're number 4 now. We're at number 4. Well done and thank you and I appreciate all your votes. But let's push. We're so close. We're so close. Oh no, but let's time I deliver. It's a flower. Are we done?
Yes.
Ngoba ngitravel ngavota ngicela ukubona ivote. I am shooting abantu ngashothi. Hlangana Zulu.
Hayi hlangana Zulu.
Imali live lelinye icici.
Angazi ngibona elilodwa.
Mama.
Ngibona elilodwa.
Bebekunikeza lo.
Yini airtime? Yini airtime guys? Bekuyini airtime?
Hayi go 60 mama. There's no way. Yeah.
Guys, you just vote. Ngiyabuya nokulunga sobuye sisothatha indaba lapho. Amanzi ami wona. Sky, don't talk to me if you haven't voted. Don't talk to me if you haven't voted. Yes. Okay, don't vote for me. But tell us it. Ngeke ungabi no 30 rand sithando sami. Ngeke ungabi no 30 rand wokuvota. Hawu.
30 rand wokuvota. Ngivotile.
Lelo uvote namhlanje ngo4 votes. 4 votes for one.
Yazi mama usivotise sonke la.
Ngisho namhlanje kune special sa 4 votes for one. Mama.
Ngiyamqukula abantu.
Okay, ngizongiculela okay, ngifuna ngicule kulungile, ngifuna ngicule le mpicule. Sanibona, ngicule noma le mpicule, guys. Ngicule cha. Awu anentingi ilona. My call sheet. It's like libhaliwe kamnandi libhaliwe ukuthi mabusi. Guys, I will sing. I'll do whatever it is. Please. Let's vote. Guys, please. Like, I can't be a Zulu girl with some power and my child loses. Please. Thank you so much, Freshers. God bless you. Oh my God, all the blessings upon you and everything. And you must have an amazing day, Freshers, okay? Thank you so much for voting. Why camera yami nje kodwa? How do we vote? It's pinned. It's pinned on my thing. It's pinned on. I'm traveling. It's pinned on my. It's there. SMS baby. If I take a screenshot, it's way easier. Okay, I have to go work now. Someone put down the When's that guy? So I'll phone you up at time. Let's vote. Ungabuzi ukuthi kuvotelani vote nje. Ngena ku SMS. Unamali enqala time?
Looking for 9 house.
Okay. Uyifake ibe iningi ke yasifaka uma no30 rand yebo bhuti wami ngizokuvotisa njalo namhlanje hlezi uthi uyangithanda namhlanje ngifuna uprove. Hayi khuleka ngisakusukulonke usazobuya. So okay. So voting is time 30 rand yes?
Yeah.
30 rand nje kuphela ngiphinde ngihluphe empilweni yakho so ze ufe ngingakuphangi ngo30 rand nje kuphela yabona. Yes?
Alright.
Ubufaka u30 rand ngizokubona ngelunch. Sanibona Ziki. Guys, kuyavota namhlanje today. Hey. Like please vote for my child guys. Lot aw 4.
Hayi lalela zakhala
Ngivote vote aw 4.
Maskali.
Baba sizoyithini lento lena?
Maskali.
Sizoyithini?
Hayi maskali.
Bakhala guys.
My friend is blocked. It's like 4,000 votes.
This is what I'm saying.
Aye.
For 1,000 rand, it's 4,000 votes.
Makube njalo guys. Guys, I guess ngibonge.
We're running and I'm getting my.
Hey. Anay.
Can't hear us.
Hey, sir. Duty calls, my good sir.
Guys, please. Yes, I'm on it.
Guys, please
Come on, page 6 then.
Yes.
Velas, alright. Guys, try and vote any now. Ngiyangicela bandla uyanicela
guys,
nomkhulu.
ngicela nivoteni. Sinibonge so far siphushile.
Yes, we're number 4 guys.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Ngicela guys namhlanje kumele sibe number 1.
Yes, guys, please vote in 3,
Give
2,
me
1.
I'm mutekanga guys. Hello. Can you hear me now? Sithi vote.
Vote.
Says but listen, Velas angikwazi ukushintsha izinto ngokuthi uhlale lapha.
No?
Sengidlulile. Oh, tell another
Oh,
time.
mana. Okay.
Okay, guys, I understand. Can you hear me? They can hear me.
No,
You can hear me.
Guys, sicela kunibonga. Siphushile nengane. Thank you, but today is even more important because 1 vote is 4
It's
votes.
4 votes,
So
guys.
if you make
It's just
payment for 1
30
vote,
rand.
you get 4 votes. So meaning you can imagine if you're spending like how much, like 30 rand?
Yes, it's 30 rand.
30 rand is like how many
3,
votes?
6, 9, 12. That's 100.
120 votes.
3, 6, 9.
Yeah, it makes-
15, 20,
The math is
15,
not
30, 45, 60. It's 60 votes.
Yes.
No, for 30 rand.
So
Yes,
right now,
60 votes for
we're
30
ready
rand.
to run
But that's
lines.
double though. That's double like last time.
Beautiful viewers, umama mkhululi nobaba mkhululi bayalithanda ngenhliziyo yabo yonke. Cela nivote okwamanje kumele ukuthi sirun ama lines in 3, 2, 1 action. Ngicela ukuphuma abantu akade nomama mkhululi ne? We need to run lines.